Okay, I think my comments are finally working, so that's good news for the day. Situate this mic, and I was only I was able to trade for 10 minutes today. This is ultimately how I would like to trade. Still having issues with Apex. I paid for two PAs now on Monday. One was paid on that's the 4th. I think maybe one on the 5th or the 6th, and still they have not shown up. So I'm not sure what's going on with Apex, but you could see my day today. Uh, Almost $500, very little commission, which means I probably won every trade. Um, I was done in 3 or 4 trades, something like that. The 4th one was a mistake. I'll show you. Probably my best trade, the way I managed it. But I almost got myself in trouble by leaving the automation on. So again, it was a combination of NQ using the Trade Saver, Trade Predator automation, but me picking what trades to take. Of course, I woke up late. I kind of woke up like 9:30ish. Took me a while to get it together, but the market spiked up right out of the gate. So all of this I was not even watching. I just was kind of had an ear on the market, and it took off from what? Yeah, just about 900, and just spiked straight up. What did it go up to? Yeah, almost 60, 70 points out of the gate. Hits a level here, and blast through it. I didn't even see that. 2 more Ludwig levels up there. I didn't even. By the time I got in, those levels were hidden. I guess maybe I did see them. But then I seen this. Once I seen this level break, I probably did see it approach and blast through. Once this went through really quickly, now the crossover happens. I activate, take the signal. I probably need to adjust the ATM because it's only getting $60, and I easily could have got 49. I could have got 10 points, but the way I like to trade, like, look where it took profit at that level, and my idea as well, take profit because it could have very easily hit this level and went right back up to Ludwig, or stop me out, which my stop is here. I probably would have moved the stop above Ludwig level as a protector, and look how smart that logic was. If my stop is above that level, it never gets hit. I did not take this signal because it moved up so quick, and usually if it hits, it could go through. I don't know what happened after this, but I switched over to micros because I was not sure. My gut says we're going here. So I said, let me do the micros because I don't know. It could blast. And if it blasts through here, I got this protector. I could add micros in here and just get a small spike down and manage the trade and not blow it. So this is my hybrid system of NQ with micros based on where I'm at and how is the market moving. So it is a common sense approach with a little bit of both. I'm only trading the one. Actually, the summary popped up. Again, this is not working great, but that's a nice profit, and I think it's probably what I've made in the last 7 or 8 days, with all the accounts. So let me just kill all these. I think I was trading 42 today. Yeah. No sim. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Where's getting 27,000 from? This is my problem. Let's go to the summary. Yeah, I don't know if this is right. Did I really do 71%? I took 4 trades today. So let's go to the trades themselves. I don't know if other people, I think it's the Replicano that's doing this. Yeah, it doesn't even make sense. My first trade made $60. I don't know what's getting 32 from. It was a short. So yeah, obviously this is way off. Yeah, let's look at that again. Just saying I got from 6 to 4. I got 2 points. And this is saying 49 to 46. I think that's what I really got. Anyway, so I guess that's useless data. So first trade here. Let's go back to the chart. And now here's where I started doing the micros. So I entered, wow, above. guess I was looking to take profit here from here. It's 10 points. Yeah, it looks like I did one contract and won that trade. Now, I guess when it broke here is when I started adding in. You can see all these shorts. This was a good trade. I went from $60 to like almost 150, whatever I made here. And this was micro. So I managed this really well. You can see like some long winners here. I don't even know what the exact enters, but it looks like there was a lot of enters right at the Ludwig. And again, I anticipated, where did I take my profits? Pretty much at that level. Again, that's, me following my system. And you can see it stalled, and then it went through again. If I was going to continue to trade, I probably would have took the shorts to here. But I took a little break for a second. I think there was news coming up. So then, okay, now I come back in and I see this bounce. And then a break here. Now I go back to NQ. I'm already at, 150, looking for, the 200 for the day. Again, with the concept being you're trading 10 accounts during the day is 2,000 a day. How much money do you need at that point? So here we go. There's the first. So this was all micros, right? And then it blasts through to here. Again, once I saw this break, if I was doing micros, I would have took that short again. I don't like this short because you got Ludwig levels there, so I probably wouldn't have took it. Now, you can see you're hitting VWAP. I don't like this short. Definitely wouldn't have took that. But if you just turn this automation on, you did take it. Probably wouldn't. What I'm looking for here is it going to hit here and go back down to VWAP and then eventually through, or is it going to blast through? It kind of blasted through pretty good. I did the old quick long, kind of right at the level, and it paid within seconds. Again, 3 points, I'm probably shortchanging myself, but my concept is I like a high win rate. So I'm only doing the one contract because trading the two right out of the gate, if you look at my older videos, and it went against me, I was taking too big of a loss on. So now I was done for the day, up, I don't know, 250 or so, 300, somewhere in that range. And I was writing an email. So I wasn't looking at the charts. And all of a sudden I hear order filled. I was like, whatever it was. And it took this long now. I would not take this long. And you could see I had to manage out of it. Now, I could have cut out immediately and took the loss. But I'm looking at here. Now my entry's right there at that level. What normally happens, even if it's going to continue down, it would hit this level, touch again, and come back down. So that's what I was playing on. I had a couple of things in my favor. I had this level. I had 900. Same thing with a whole number. Hits the whole number, bounces, eventually, gets through. So I'm trying to get my entry as far down as I could. And I could have made a hell of a lot more money than I did if I would have managed. I closed all three right there. And, I did not expect this to happen. I thought it was going to hit and come back down. My profit was just about right there. I didn't make a lot on that. I say that, but I think ultimately I made $200 because the way I managed this, where here's the level of add, here's a level of add, right at the whole number there. And it just, you can see it hit and it went in my favor immediately. So this went from 03 to 13. This was a $200 here. So if this contract made 200 and these actually broke even when they actually made, I didn't lose a trade here. That's why this was such a profitable trade. If I would have took one off here and let the other two run, I probably would have passed the damn account today, but this is only my third day of trading it. So 3 days, up 2,200. So I'm really happy with that. I still got to trade it for 4 more days, and I'm kind of practicing right now for the once these become PAs. Again, I don't know if other people go through these problems between, trade performance or Replicano acting up. Again, I got a team of ninja people working on this for me. I even gave them my password and login so they can test it on their computers. What else? Yeah, so I'm kind of practicing for when I have a little more time to trade. When I actually get PAs, and maybe I'll just keep trading evals and get this up to 20. I'd rather have 20 PAs than 10 PAs. Now I'm thinking about it. So anyway, that was my trading for the day, and I'm glad I'm still using this trade saver automation. You can see it gave these short signals, and I wasn't interested at this point. Again, would not have taken this trade, managed it based on my level system, and did well. Could have made a hell of a lot more, but I knew it was a greater chance of hitting and spiking down and getting in bigger trouble. So that's how I get out of it. Very happy with that. Comments are on. And again, not sure when I do. Weekend coming. It's 10:15 in the morning in New York. I'm done for the day and got to start prepping for events for tonight. Maybe I'm going to post some party videos on the trading website to show you how much fun that job is compared to trading. I love trading, but nothing better than a good DJ job. When people are having fun and you're in the social limelight. So, all the best to everybody. And again, this journaling is for me. And if anybody could grab something from it, that's great.